If your Windows laptop is slow, you don't need any software, just change these settings. Step 1. Disable startup apps. Press Ctrl Shift and Escape to open your task manager. Then click on Startup Apps. After clicking on Startup, click on the app which you want to disable on Startup. This alone can make your laptop boot much faster. Step 2. Turn on Storage Sense. You have to go to your settings, click on Settings, then you click on System, then you click on Storage, then turn on Storage Sense. Step 3. Adjust performance settings. Search Performance. Click on Adjust Appearance and Performance of Windows. Then you select Adjust for best performance. You click on Apply and OK. Step 4. Update Windows. Open your settings, click on Windows Update, then click on Check for updates. How old is your laptop? Comment below. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel.